starting, we will learn about the lungs, the anatomy, the anatomy of lungs. Okay, ji. So basically, they are. If we talk about the shape, so they are triangular in shape, and if we talk about the size, so when we breathe normally, the size of the lungs are 24 centimeter. But when we take deep breath, or the capacity of the lungs and the pleural membrane is full, so when we take deep breath, or means the capacity is full, so the size becomes 28 centimeter. Okay, when if there would be a MCQ that what is the size of the lungs in normal breathing, so you have to take the answer of 24 centimeter. And when they are asking about the capacity, then when the capacity is full, or when you take deep breath, so it means that you have to take the 28 centimeter. Basically, we guys are having two lungs, right lung and the left lung. First, make the difference between these two. Okay, right and left. Okay, so basically, the weight of right lung is 620 gram. Okay, so the weight of right lung is 620 gram, and the weight of left lung is 560 gram. Okay, then the right lung contains three lobes, but the left lungs contain two lobes. Okay, there in right lung there will be no cardiac notch, but in left lung depression or cardiac notch is present, just because the left lung is just above of the heart. Then in right lung the secondary bronchi is 3, and in left lung the number of secondary bronchi is 2. This is the difference of right and left lung. Then lungs are covered with covered with membrane that is known as pleural mem- membrane. And basically, the pleural membrane is divided into two parts. The first one is visceral pleural membrane, and the second one is parietal pleural membrane. So let me first show the diagram. Okay, so the right lung is divided into three lobes. Sorry, one, two, and three. And the left lobe is divided. Left lung is divided into two lobes. Up over here, let me draw the membrane. Okay, this one is the membrane of both lungs. Basically, basically, there are two types of membrane: the outer and inner membrane. So the outer membrane of the lungs is known as parietal, and the inner membrane is known as visceral pleural membrane. Okay, then these then this one is the middle lobe of the right lung. This one is the inferior or the lower lobe, and this one is the superior lobe. Okay ji. Up between these two, between just wait, between these two membrane, a fluid is present. Between visceral and parietal, a fluid is present that is known as this fluid is known pleural fluid. Okay, a fluid is between parietal and visceral, which is known as pleural fluid. What is the function of pleural fluid? Basically, pleural fluid pleural fluid will help to just it helps in lubrication and it prevents from mechanical shock. It helps in lubrication, prevents from mechanical shock. Mechanical shock means uh, from any kind of explosion of the lungs, and it prevents from friction, and it keeps pleural membrane stick together. Okay ji. Basically, at the time of inhalation and exhalation, the pleural membrane stay together just because of pleural fluid. At the time of inhalation and exhalation, the pleural membrane, both visceral and parietal, stay together because of this fluid. Okay, and The if we talk about the surface area of both of slugs, so it is equal to a tennis court. Okay, the part where the prime, and if we talk about the bronchi intercom, so I will be teaching bronchi intercom in the next video, and I hope that you guys are getting my point. I hope that, and I also hope that you guys will get back to my channel for the next topics. Thank you.